Try the healthy and trending spread in town. Made with quality ingredients, perfect for all ages. Can homemade spreads and foodies available. Cheese pimiento, tuna spread, chicken spread. For your order and inquiries, please like us on Facebook. Can homemade spread and foodies. 9:13 in the morning at nasa kabilang line na po natin si Ma'am Jane Torres ng Ken Homemade Spreads and Foodies. Isang magandang umaga, Ma'am Jane.
Good morning and good morning po sa mga nakikinig and nanonood po sa inyong programa, sir.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras at panahon. At I know naman po kahit sa ganitong oras po ay busy kayo sa inyong pong negosyo. Ma'am Jane, kailan po nag-start itong Ken Homemade Spread and Foodies? At bakit po ito pong negosyo ang inyo pong naisip ang iba't ibang mga variant ng palaman tulad po ng cheese pimiento, tuna spread and chicken spread? Bakit po ito ang naisip nyong negosyo?
Actually, sir, nag-start po siya way back nung pandemic. Talaga. So, yun po. Kasi naisip ko siya kasi i-business. Hindi po kasi ako kumakain dati ng mga typical na mga spread like yung mga sa supermarket. So, naisip ko siya na mag-innovate ng sarili kong spread na yung homemade lang ba, tapos para wala siyang mga preservatives, ganon. So, para matimpla ko siya ng maayos. And yung spread namin kasi is designed for those people na nag-diet talaga. Yung
health conscious.
So sa mga health conscious people. And also for those people na mga diabetic. Kasi yung spread natin is wala po siyang masyadong sweetener, and also tinitimpla ko siya na maayos na healthy siya kasi ako kasi, sir, myself is gusto ko bread and butter namin is yung cheese pimiento talaga kasi doon kami nag-umpisa. Yes po. Oo. And then nasunod na po si tuna spread na isipan ko lang po mag-innovate na naman ng another flavor.
Variant.
Yes.
Problema pag ganitong negosyo po about sa mga spread?
Actually, sir, yung na-encounter ko talaga na problem is that kasi nag-ship po kami nationwide talaga. So, like ganito po, yung cheese pimiento is wala po siyang preservative. Yung nagiging problem po namin is that baka madali po siyang mapanis like that. So, yun po. Yun lang naman po ang nagiging problema ko dito. So, nahihirapan po kami pag medyo malayo. 7 days lang siya pag hindi siya nalagay sa chiller or na-refrigerate. Pero pag andon na naman siya sa after buksan is naka 1 month naman siya. Unlike po sa tuna namin at sa chicken, so nag-last po siya ng like 3 months. Ganyan po.
Okay. Maganda po dito, Ma'am Jane, talaga hands-on po kayo sa inyo pong negosyo at talagang sa ating mga nakikinig po, made with love po itong Ken Homemade Spread and Foodies. Talagang si Ma'am Jane po talaga nakatutok sa kanya pong negosyo. At pwede rin po sila, Ma'am Jane, na mag-distributor, mag-dealer ng inyo pong Ken Homemade Spread and Foodies. Ano po pwede po nilang gawin para sila po ay mag-reseller po dito sa inyo pong negosyo ng Ken?
Kaming i-visit sa aming Facebook page, Ken Homemade Spreads and Foodies. Our location po is nasa Iloilo po kami, pero nag-ship po kami nationwide ng mga products namin for those interested po talaga. And yun po, nagbibigay po kami ng mga packages. Nag-offer kami ng mga reseller packages and also distributor packages po sa aming mga products.
Try the healthy and trending spread in town. Made with quality ingredients, perfect for all ages. Can homemade spreads and foodies available. Cheese pimiento, tuna spread, chicken spread. For your order and inquiries, please like us on Facebook. Can homemade spread and foodies. Try the healthy and trending spread in town. Made with quality ingredients, perfect for all ages. Can homemade spreads and foodies available. Cheese pimiento, tuna spread, chicken spread. For your order and inquiries, please like us on Facebook. Can homemade spread and foodies. Try the healthy and trending spread in town. Made with quality ingredients, perfect for all ages. Can homemade spreads and foodies available. Cheese pimiento, tuna spread, chicken spread. For your order and inquiries, please like us on Facebook. Can homemade spread and foodies.